We are doing the Gordon River cruise. We are on the red boat. There you can see the grey boat. We have got upper level with lunch and morning tea, and it is a beautiful morning.
Yeah, lovely.
Morning. See how beautiful it is? You gonna have a go at driving the boat today?
Yeah, no doubt it. So no doubt.
So we've landed on Sarah Island, which is where they used to put all the convicts so that they couldn't escape.
That's where the naughty ones from Port Arthur went. The naughty ones.
We've jumped off the boat quickly. Look how still the river is.
Building a boat, and they called it the Eagle. They had the Nellie and the Kathleen. The president, they did go through a lot of different vessels. As they developed into the steamboats, they used it for towing, rafts of logs, taking tourist trips. Like they either go out fishing or go to the Gordon River. The only way you could get here in the early days, of course, was by ship. Regular passenger service run between Melbourne and Stratham. And after the railway, medical equipment or something like that, she'd make sure that they'd got it and it was going on the boat that day. They couldn't just come down and dump what they wanted on the boat. It ran, I reckon any military operation would have been proud of it.
The beauty of the river system was flowing in the veins of those pioneers. It took a little bit for some environmentalists to understand that. And not only that, but the JVM.
I reckon that's about as glassy as you're going to get it. Running. Oh no, come to a standstill.
That's scary in there. Can't I go warm with this?